What's up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can bypass the Arceus X key system. The first thing you are going to want to do is click get key right here, and if you're wondering how I got Arceus X on PC, you can check out my last video on how to do it. So the first thing you are going to need is Tamper Monkey. You can download that from the Chrome web store. Just make sure it's from with 11 million users. Everything that I use in this video will be linked down in the description for you guys, just so it's easier for you. So once you've got Tamper Monkey installed, you're going to want to go onto the Greasy Fork link, and since I've already had it downloaded before, I'm going to click reinstall. It should just say install for you. You just click install and then make sure that it's working, and as you can see, it's enabled for me. So now we are going to open up the key system. We're just going to give it a second to load.
A few moments later,
and if we were to select Loot Labs here and click complete, it should automatically skip them for us, and there you go. As you can see, we just got our key. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, and as you can see, it says key found. So yeah, it works. Everything will be linked down below in the description, including the tutorial on how to get it on PC. Thanks for watching and goodbye.